The final presentation topic that I have chosen is the impact of mental disorders on overall health and wellness. This is going to include depression and or anxiety. The reason for choosing this topic is because of my career plans after I finish my master's degree is to become a clinical therapist for mental health. The interdisciplinary lenses that I have chosen, the first one would be biological, and that's going to cover anything ranging from inherited traits, chemical imbalances, brain chemistry, and hormonal imbalances. The second one that I have chosen for my interdisciplinary lens would be the environmental causes and factors on mental health and wellness, and that's going to include debt, financial issues, socioeconomic status, poverty, and also American economical collapse. The references that are going to support my lenses and my topic, the first one would be the Wellness Group. This is titled, Does Debt Affect Your Mental Health? And this was written in 2014. This is going to support the information and research that I found over the collapse of the American economy, the disillusion of the middle class, and the cost of living, which in regards to it rising, yet the pays either remaining stagnant or decreasing for a lot of individuals in the economy. And then also eating unhealthy due to the inability to afford healthier food. So lack of resources due to all of these financial issues in the environment and the economy. The second reference that I have found to support my final presentation topic and my environmental and biological lenses would be the Mayo Clinic, and that is titled Mental Illness. And that's going to cover everything ranging from, like I said, the inherited traits, so parents passing down mental disorder traits to their children. Also, environmental exposure before birth, so that's going to be talking about viruses that the mother may come in contact with, drugs, alcohol consumed, and any other toxins that the mother may have been in contact while the baby was in utero. So before even birth, the environmental effect. And then also the hormonal imbalance in individuals, as well as the biological changes in the brain that may affect the mental illness. And the third and final reference that I did find to support my lenses, my biological environmental lenses on mental health would be Mental Health American, and this is titled Promotion of Mental Wellness. This is going to be covering everything from debt and financial security, and it's going to tie into my environmental lens particularly. It's going to talk about the long-term impacts on mental health and wellness from issues within finances and debt. And then when you're lacking those as far as financial security and an increased amount of debt, it's going to focus on how your resources are limited. And in that point, that comes into many stressors, which is the main factor of causing anxiety and depression and your overall mental health and wellness.